Hey. We got a fade today in the market. For the first time in 3 weeks, we actually had some selling. It lasted 28 minutes this time. We broke a record. The longest sell-off we've had in the last 3 weeks has been 22 minutes. We actually sold off for 28 minutes today. It was fucked up. Were you there for it? Shorted the Qs, shorted the Zoom, shorted the Peloton, shorted the Neo. And there was one more. Chewy. Something else. Q's, Neo, Peloton, Zoom, Chewy. No, that was it. You, Lofty, why aren't you in the Qs from 2007 then, man? You've been around since I started making videos. You're not in the Qs from 68 bucks? Damn, man. I told you to buy FMCI yesterday if it broke 20. Where were you, right? Every IPO, every SPAC that breaks an all-time high goes up 10%. Look what happened. Where were you on that one? All right, so here's the most important thing you're ever going to hear from me ever again. I forgot what I was going to say. Today's lows on the Qs is the new generational low. So if you're looking at today's low, right? Don Harold. Silver, baby. No, so anyway, today was a great thing. I do a live broadcast across a couple of different spectrums, right? And so today, we came in. It's been the same story every day. We never go down. Every dip's a buy. But I like playing the fade. So the Q started rolling over. The ZM was rolling over. Peloton, Chewy, the whole thing. But my favorite trade was the Neo. We're sitting there looking to buy the Neo because it consolidated. It's on the way and it's breaking out. And I said, give it a second. Let's see if it double tops first at the all-time highs. Within 10 seconds of me ready to buy it, I was like, oh, nah, it's breaking down. Let's short it. That's how quickly I changed. 15 seconds. I changed my whole attitude about the trade with the Qs. So to all the times that we said, oh, I thought you said the market never goes down. Where? If you're going to survive as a day trader, I mean, again, if you're day trading, just in and out all day or 3 times a day, I don't really trade too much in the afternoons. You got to be ready to switch your allegiance to what side you want to be on, right? But more importantly, if you're an investor or a swing trader, today's probably the most significant day in 20 years. We finally saw some selling on a market that's gone up every day pretty much for 5 straight months. And we finally saw what usually means we're seeing the VIX increasing and holding its bid. That you never see that. You're seeing some of the shittiest stocks on earth rallying hundreds of percent. That's been going on for a while. Dash for trash. But you're finally seeing the 2 massive stocks losing their, momentum, Tesla and Apple. The question is, and here's why the market's really never going to go down ever again. If Apple was still a huge amount, a big price, and if Tesla was a big price, it's easier for them to fall point-wise, right? Now it's just going to be percentage-wise. Apple's probably never going to go down more than 5 or 10 points from here. Tesla, yeah, maybe they sell off to 385 or whatever. But now that they've split their stocks, they've locked in the gains. The stock's they're not going to start tanking 20, 30%. Up there, you might have had point-wise, you could have made some money. Now, I don't know the correlation. I'm not going to do the math. I don't know how. What changed in the QQQ with the split on Apple and Tesla? I don't know. I don't know how they calculate it. The bottom line is, who cares, right? Today's lows on the Qs are also a multi-day VWAP. If we ever break that, sell them. If not, you got to buy them. You got to keep holding them. So you have basically 4 points of risk right now. 290, what was it? 296.90. 296.90 is today's low, right? If you break it, dump them and sell them, right? Dump them, short them even, because we're probably going to have actually our first pullback of ever since March. But right now, we never go down. So the way I look at this market is the default stance you need to take. Okay, market sold off for 28 minutes this morning. Some people might have sold. Some people might have got short. And they're all going to have to pay dearly for that. The shorts are going to get crushed, and the people that sold are just going to have to buy back at a higher price. So if we don't sell off today, tomorrow, or Friday, I'm telling you, I think we rally till next March. Not one pullback ever again. So I bought the 320s today on the pullback for 2 weeks out. I bought January 390 calls the other day. January 390s. Do you realize what I'm saying here? 390. I was just in the 278s, and I blew them out. And I left 100 grand on the table again, which is insane to think about. They rallied 40 points after I've gotten out of it. Sick. But it is what it is. If we're not going to ever go down, you have to keep pushing your bets, right? You don't walk away from the poker table when you've won 13 hands in a row. You take a little off the table and you keep going, right? So keep pushing your bet. So now take the money out of the queues or whatever. And I think if we don't sell off today, I'm throwing tomorrow out there too. Usually, sometimes these sell-offs take 2 days to take hold. If we don't sell off today into the close or tomorrow, I think we're just going to crush everybody again and rally 10% into the next options expiration. So if you're buying the 320s for $1, right? Even if the market just goes up tomorrow and the next day, you'll probably be up 50% on those options. But let's look at the big picture. Let's say we do rally 10%, right? We never do sell off before Labor Day weekend, and we generally rally the day after. So I'm thinking not just 10% going into expiration. I'm thinking a 25 to 33 point move, right? Into next Tuesday. It's like tomorrow, up 6, Friday, up 10, and then up another 12 on Tuesday when we come in. I know it sounds far-fetched, but at this point, you have to assume it's going to happen because we never go down, ever. So what this sell-off did today was it just fueled the shorts. It fueled the fire for another stupid-ass leg up on the market. And that's a big if. We have to close. If we close red. If we close red, it's a different story. Yeah, UVXY is actually going up. Something's amiss. But that's why we're wondering. We're seeing, you know what else we're seeing that I don't talk about much? Huge dollar volume going in on the penny stocks. So people are scraping the bottom of the barrel right now. The shittiest possible awful turds, the ninth circle of hell stocks are starting to move. That's usually not a good sign. So we're seeing volatility index up, penny stocks are moving, dead shitty stocks are moving, and it's just this is the make or break day. These next couple of days, I think it's going to make or break where we go from here. But let's talk about Rocket Mortgage. All right, you want to gamble on something? This is how stupid this market is. It's now made me stupid. I'm about to do something as stupid as you could be. This is the stupidest thing I could possibly suggest to anybody. Buying $40 calls on Rocket Mortgage for September going into this report. Because the way this market is, the stock was at 18 bucks. Every stock, when it finds a bounce, goes up at least 100%. So you're 3 points off going up 100%, which is fucking retarded already. 18 bucks. It was 18 bucks 5 days ago, and now it's at 33. You got 3 more just to get up to the 100% mark. But if they have a decent number and the trajectory of this stock is massive uptrend, you're probably looking at a $50 stock. Who cares that it was 18 bucks 6 days ago? Fuck it. 300% move in 5 days. That's how the market works. So I'm actually thinking about buying it. I haven't bought them yet, but Rocket Mortgage, $40 calls, right? You could buy the 40s for 3 and you could sell, a 46, you're locking your gain. But if you buy the 40s for 3 and you sell the 46s for 2, right? You're risking $1, most you can lose. Stock goes to 46, your 40s are now worth 6. You made 3 points on there, 3, and you collected the 2, so that's 5. You risked $1 to make 5 as the stock goes to 46, which chances are it's going to go to 50. That's how stupid this market is. But that whole idea I just described is completely fucking retarded. But it's probably going to work because this market is fully on full retard right now. Stocks aren't going up 3%, 5%. They're going up in 25, 35, 45, 50% moves. So why can't Rocket Mortgage be 50 bucks on Friday? Bang. You're risking $1 to make 5. Do it. Worst case scenario, you're out $1. Stock goes to 50, you make 5. Or even just 46, you make 5. As stupid as that is, it probably works because this market is on full retard. Anyway, I'll just say it one more time. If we close green today, I think we rally till next March. Dow 60,000. I think we're going to double in the next 5 months. 100% return. Oh, I always get screwed too. It's the worst idea you could do in trading. But that's why I'm thinking about doing it. Because everything that doesn't make any sense is what's working the best. Now, let's just keep buying the same 8 stocks for the next 6 months. Oh, okay. Everybody thought it'd be a bad idea, right? Oh, it's not a healthy market when it's all a handful of stocks running the whole thing. Fuck you. It is a healthy market because that's the market we're in. You can't do anything about it. You can't change what's going on. Anyway, if you didn't get the link, come join me in a half an hour. So I'll give you the link one more time. If you haven't signed up by now, what the hell is your problem? I got to find you the link, and then I got to go rest my voice. For all your VWAP needs. Yeah, it's free. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to walk in there and I'm going to say, hey, what's up, everybody? I hope you're having a fun time actively trading when you can't beat the market. Buy the QQQ. We never go down. Take care. And I'm going to do like a 20-second dramatic pause. Wait, did he just leave? What did he say? Who was that guy? See? All right, I'll see you guys later, man. Be careful out there. We may actually sell off. Probably not, but there's usually only a 1% chance of a sell-off coming. Now there's actually a 2% chance of it coming. So the chances of a sell-off have dramatically increased 100%. But now there's still only a 2% chance it actually happens. You like that when you play with the numbers, right? The chances of a sell-off just doubled. What? Oh, wait, but it's still 2%. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. All right. Be careful out there, all right? I'm also upgrading stocks that I've upgraded. I'm a classic analyst now. I downgraded Rocket Mortgage when it was going down, and now I upgraded it when it's going back up. Why? If it's going up, might as well upgrade it, right? 50 by Friday, Rocket Mortgage, believe it. If it's 50 on Friday, I hope one of you guys are in it. I'm telling you, it's a stupid idea, but it probably will work. 50 by Friday. So that would be a 175% bounce off the stock that just hit lows 5 days ago. Sounds about right. I'll see you guys. See ya. Come and join me, all right? I gave you the link. Go join up, all right? I'll see you when I see you.